To transfer money on Apple Pay, start by making sure you have the latest version of iOS and that Apple Pay is set up on your device. Open the Wallet app and tap on the Apple Cash card. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Send Money. You can send money to someone using their email address, phone number, or by asking Siri to send money to one of your contacts. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a note with the payment. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Send. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received money and can accept the payment by opening the Wallet app and tapping on the Apple Cash card. If they do not have Apple Cash set up, they will be prompted to do so. To transfer money from Apple Cash to your bank account, open the Wallet app and tap on the Apple Cash card. Then tap on the three dots and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Next. You will be prompted to select the bank account you want to transfer the money to and confirm the transaction. The transfer may take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on your bank. It is essential to note that there are some limits on how much you can send and receive with Apple Cash, and some transactions may be subject to a small fee. Always review the terms and conditions before making a transaction. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money on Apple Pay and take advantage of the convenience and security of this service.